By running the macro, a window opens with two buttons, Run Excel and OK. Clicking on Run Excel opens an Excel file where we can edit the table. In this table, column A represents the hierarchical level. Column B contains the part number. Column C is used for the definition or name of the component. Column D is important. It indicates whether the item is an assembly or a part. Column E defines the quantity. And column F stores the revision. After we fill out the table, we save the changes and close Excel. Back in the macro window, we click OK to start the generation process. The macro reads the data and automatically creates the structure in CATIA based on the Excel input. Now, in CATIA, you can see the complete 3D structure, all assemblies and parts as defined in the table. This allows you to quickly and accurately generate complex product structures directly from Excel.